Tonight on the Wise News Network, we are in Cherryville, North Carolina for the Who-Ville Festival downtown. A lot of sights and sounds of Christmas, and we're getting ready to see what it's all about. I'm Rusty Wise.
And I'm Jermaine Gash.
And what do you think, Jermaine?
Guys, it smells so good out here. I'm looking forward to seeing Santa. I heard the Grinch was out here. I heard he was extra grumpy today, so that's going to be interesting.
We're going to find out what the Who-Ville in Cherryville, North Carolina is all about. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys.
See you guys.
Oh, the things you can think when you think about
Guys, I'm Jermaine and I'm here with the Wise News Network, and I am with your names? Donna, Erica,
John,
and John. And who's this little guy?
Elijah.
This is Elijah. Are you guys having a great time?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, is this your first year here or?
It's our first time. Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Gastonia.
Gastonia. Awesome. What brings you guys down this way? How'd you find out about it?
Oh, it's all over Facebook.
All over Facebook?
Yeah. It's a big old Facebook event about it, so.
Are you guys here with more family, or is it just you guys?
No, we're waiting on my daughter, and she's just kind of slow.
Oh, okay. Have you guys had a chance to try the food yet? Anything?
Yeah, I got donuts. Show them your donuts.
Oh, my gosh, right in the pocket. Easily accessible. Yeah, what else have you guys tried?
Nothing else.
Nothing yet? Do you think you'll try something?
To try the cheese curds, but.
The cheese curds, where's that?
Right down there.
That sounds pretty good. Good choice. Well, thank you for interviewing with us, guys. Have an amazing night.
All right, thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We're here at Home Trust Bank with Brandy Clark, and tell us a little bit what you got going on tonight with Who-Ville.
Well, Santa's here for the Who-Ville event. They're waiting in line to come see Santa at the top of the stairs, and then they'll come in this room and pick up a craft or take it home, whichever or. So we have the best Santa. That's pretty much.
How many? I know you had 400 to 500 last year. What do you expect this year?
Yes, we're usually at like 375 to 400. We're expecting about 400 this time.
So that's 400 wishes to Santa. You reckon he'll grant them all?
Hopefully he will, with help of his little elves.
Okay, Santa, you're at Who-Ville, and I noticed that you're on one end of the street and the Grinch is on the other. Now, do you guys get along? Are you friends? Now, tell me your relationship with him.
Well, you know, when the Grinch went through this ordeal, his heart grew 3 times bigger, and that was the love that he got into his heart, and you can only get that love through Jesus Christ. So after that, me and him became like this.
There you have it. So they're just like that. The Grinch and Santa, they're a team.
We're a team. We work together.
Any final words, Santa?
I hope you have a Merry Christmas and enjoy Who-Ville. I certainly am.
Thank you, Santa.
You're very welcome. Merry Christmas.
We're here at the Carolina Freight Museum, and we're here with Stan Bumgarner. He's going to tell us a little bit about the C. Greer Beam Truck Museum.
Well, the C. Greer Beam Truck Museum opened in 1982, so we're celebrating our 40-year anniversary this year. The museum has 14 trucks, and we have an old truck that we call Big Red. It actually has a sleeper in the nose of the trailer, and it's got a theater in the back of it. And we have about a 4.5-minute movie that tells a lot of highlights about the museum and about the history of how Charles Greer Beam started the company and of the museum. And we give guided tours if you want them, or you can just come in and look around at the trucks. But it's just a friendly hometown atmosphere, and Carolina meant an awful lot to the city of Cherryville and was a big corporation. People are surprised to find out how big Carolina really was. And we're really thankful that the museum is here and people can come in and relive and remember the impact that Carolina had and what Charles Greer Beam was able to accomplish. He started out in the middle of the Great Depression, just himself in one 31 model Chevrolet ton-and-a-half truck, and really was able to go from literally nothing to build a trucking empire. And it's quite a story and quite a history.
Now, the museum is decorated very nice for Christmas, I see, with all the decorations. And we're here for Who-Ville tonight, and it's a big crowd tonight. Big crowd. You had refreshments and I think some hot apple cider, I believe. And so what do you think about the Who-Ville event?
We look forward to this every year. It's really been good for the city of Cherryville, and we get a lot of people that come through the museum. And a lot of them, after they come through on this particular night, they'll come back again. So we're always thankful for that.
Wow, many families were raised on Carolina Freight, such as myself and my sister and brother and my whole family. And we really appreciate what you're doing for the city of Cherryville by having the museum and keeping it open. Where can people find more information about the hours and about the museum?
Well, our hours are Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 10 to 3. We do have a website they can go to, and if somebody can't come in those hours, if they'll call us, or if a group is interested in coming, we will come and open at other times. Or if somebody's coming in from out of town and they just can't get here during our opening hours, if they'll call us and let us know, we'll work with them.
And we're here tonight with Pat Sherrill during Who-Ville at the Cherryville Historical Museum. And Pat, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, I would. We have had hundreds of kids getting on the fire truck. They absolutely love it. And it's just been a very busy night, and we're so excited and so pleased to have so many people coming. Anybody out there, come on down. So we're enjoying it.
Tell us a little bit about the Cherryville Historical Museum.
Well, the building was donated by the Beam Estate to the city, and the city is providing the utilities and the building for the museum to be here. And the museum is operated by about volunteers. We don't have any paid staff. So it's turned out to be a very good group of hardworking people, and we've had hundreds of people who have come and gone and worked here in the past. And so we hope to get more volunteers.
Big crowd tonight for Who-Ville. A lot of kids on the fire truck and a lot of people in the museum. That's exciting.
It is exciting. The most people who have been in the building since COVID, I guess. We haven't had this many people coming here in a long time, and it's good to see people out again.
Great history here in Cherryville at the Cherryville Historical Museum. Come by and see it. A lot of great exhibits. Thanks, guys.
Loading up the line here. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, I know. Hello, Mr. Grinch. How are you doing?
I'm terrible. Look at this place. It's hideous.
Oh my gosh. You think it's hideous?
Yes. Look at all the lights and glamour. It's
Oh my gosh. Well, look, we've just come from seeing Santa, and he actually had nothing but good things to say about you. How do you feel about that?
I hope he does. And all the gifts, I can get them. They're mine. That's what I do.
Is that what you plan to do?
I take them. Yes, of course.
All right. Well, we heard it from the Grinch. Hide your gifts, guys. All right. Merry Christmas. All right, guys, I am here with Mary Beth Tackett. She's an organizer of this amazing event. How are you today?
I'm good.
This is beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
This is stunning. I was not expecting something of this magnitude, but could you tell us a little about the event?
So Who-Ville is basically, we mainly do this event because a lot of kids can't get to the Speedway, they can't get to Carowinds, they can't get to Daniel Stowe Botanical Gardens. So we have a free event where they can meet Grinch and the Santa. They have free games, free hot chocolate, a free village to play in. They can shop for Christmas presents, visit our merchants, have food trucks. So it kind of just became something that we wanted to bring our community for the ones especially that couldn't afford to take like a family of 5 to Carowinds or something.
That's beautiful. The Grinch and Santa, we met them both tonight. They are incredible, by the way. Is this the last event of the year with you guys?
No, so we have our Christmas parade next weekend, the 10th. It'll be at 10:30 a.m., and then that'll be our last event, other than New Year's shooters. We always have the New Year's shooters that bring in the New Year. But yeah, this is our last big festival.
Oh, very nice. Well, we're looking forward to the parade as well. So, yeah, we just had to catch up with you. This is amazing. You've done an amazing job.
Thank you. I've had a lot of help. I've got a great event staff, Public Works, even wastewater has been a part of this, police department, fire department. They all take good care of us. So I'm really thankful for them. I really couldn't do it without them. So I'm excited. We got a lot of people here from everywhere. So
Awesome. Well, there you have it, guys. Who-Ville 2022. If you didn't make it this year, you got to make it next year. Thank you.
Alrighty, guys, we have the mayor of Who-Ville here tonight, and he's going to say a few words.
Welcome to Who-Ville. All these new people have come into town, and we're welcoming them with open arms, and we have had a celebration here tonight. We are so excited for our town and for what we've done here on Main Street. So, Merry Christmas from Who-Ville.
Now, Jermaine went to interview the Grinch, and the Grinch is not very nice. He was kind of mean. Now, what's up with him?
Listen, we've had trouble out of him for years. I mean, he's just, he tried to steal Christmas one year. He's doing a little bit better, but he's still a little grumpy, so I apologize. I'll have a talk with him later on.
Yeah, he's definitely a Grinch, and he's got his favorite song on. Listen to that.
Maybe that'll help him out, I don't know.
Well, we did interview Santa, and Santa said they were on speaking terms, that they were on buddies, but the Grinch says they're not. So what do you think?
Well, I mean, he's a sneaky, you hear what the song's saying. I wouldn't trust him or touch him with a 10-foot pole.
A 10-foot pole.
Yeah, the song says 39.5-foot pole. Me and him are on better terms, so I'm keeping about 10 feet away.
Well, this was a great event, Mayor. How did you pull it off?
Well, a lot of people. It wasn't just me, it was the whole town. All of our city employees have done a great job. It's a group effort.
How can I grow my eyebrows out like that? I mean, they're stylish.
Well, it takes a lot of time, okay, and a lot of thought. It doesn't just happen overnight. You have to think about it, and they just come out.
Wow. A lot of children here tonight, a lot of kids, long lines, big crowd. Who-Ville in 2022.
Who-Ville has been a hit. I'm going to be very, very popular on Facebook because I've had my picture made 1 million times tonight. But big crowd, we're excited. It's been good.
There you have it from the mayor of Who-Ville. Good night, guys. Jermaine, that was a heck of an event tonight. What do you think?
So fun. So many people. So many excited people. We met Santa. We met the Grinch, who definitely lived up to his expectation.
What did you think about the Grinch?
He was grumpy, guys. I think he kicked me off the stage at one point.
He did. He was very mean. Very mean.
Yeah.
Now, Santa said they had made up. They were friends, but the Grinch said they were not. But
Yeah.
the Santa was really cool.
I'm definitely sensing some type of little feud there, so we'll see. Maybe a future interview.
Well, Santa was on one end of the street, and the Grinch was on the other, so there's something going on. I don't think they're both telling the truth. What do you think?
Yeah,
I know Santa would tell the truth. That Grinch, I don't know.
Yeah, guys, there's something up with that Grinch, but so many people. The line has stretched from one end of the road here to the very other end. So many happy families, amazing food. It smells great out here, guys. We even saw green eggs and ham.
Yeah, home folks had green eggs and ham. It was packed. They were waiting in line to get in. Every vendor we saw had long lines.
Very long.
Getting into the stores and the food.
Yeah, cool
Great
event.
music, great music.
Great music. They're still going.
Yeah. A lot of great dancing, a lot of arts, crafts, some pets, some dogs. We saw some dogs. Just a cool event. The big ball behind us, they had got some great decorations. The downtown looks great. Who-Ville looks great. I've never been to Who-Ville, but I have now. So you can check that off your bucket list.
Right, and if you couldn't make it this year, you definitely have to come in 2023 because it is something to see, guys.
And from the Wise News Network, I'm Rusty Wise.
And I'm Jermaine Gash.
And we hope you enjoyed this event. And Jermaine can tell you more how to find us on the internet.
Yes, so don't forget, guys, if you have any segment ideas you'd love for us to cover, send us an email on newsdesk@wisenewsnetwork.com or message us on any of our social media outlets. We'd be happy to hear from you guys.
Thank you, guys. Stay tuned. Good night. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.